Explain the brief whether the below mention independent cause of supply and supply service provided exempt or taxable under GST. Service is exempt or taxable, you should find. As per the provisions of GST law, including notification issued thereon. Okay. Himalayan Wanderwards campsite registered site under GST has fixed up in various tent in Shimla, so providing Shimla tent for lodging purpose and being offered tourist and trekkers. Detail of the tenant of the rented by Himalayan Wanderers campsite. So number of 10, 15. Amount charged 1000 and per day it's in the 15,000 for single, 600 for single, and 1000 for double. So less than 1000 not taxable, less than more than 1000 taxable. அப்படி no provision இருந்தது then after what happens we'll see. Taxable since exemption with respect to service provided by a campsite for lodging purpose has been withdrawn. It's withdrawn, so it is taxable. There is no specific exemption related to the service provided by the campsite for lodging purposes and service by Himalayan wanderers are liable to tax. They are liable to tax. They are not saying any exemption at all. Everything is taxable. The Fables Info LLP, Limited Liability Partnership, having a registered place of business in Hyderabad under GST. Okay. They enter into contract with Neeta Service of providing air conditioned minivans for 1 year for transportation of female employees working in night shift to pick up for designated spot every day at 9 p.m. except weekends and drop office. Okay. Transportation service. The same female employees are again picked up office at 6:30 a.m. every morning except weekends, brought back to the same spot after where they were picked up. Okay. So they are hiring someone to do transportation service. They are a registered person. They have not said anything about the unregistered person. It is taxable. So service of transport of passengers provided Meeta service liable to GST since the service are being provided in contract and or in carriage with air condition as it is being provided by contract carriage in air condition. It is taxable. Okay. Hum Tum Service Limited registered under GST provide catering services to limited company Baljant Angavandi. Oh, so education institution providing preschooling, not schooling, preschooling education amount 2,50,000 in the month of February. So providing to schooling is exempted. For preschool, taxable, no exempted. Service of catering service provided to education institution providing preschool education is exempt under GST. So Hum Tum Service Limited is not liable to pay tax. So schools and education institution, this kind of things and all exempted. Very good, very good. The 50 women from different cities pursuing diploma in management courses and participated in leadership programs. Designed especially for women's for education, women for duration of 9 months from IIM, reputed institution, Bangalore, certified as they participate was awarded to each one of them as after the completion of program. Any service provided by this reputed institution, diploma course, taxable, short-term duration program provided by IMs, not any qualification recognized in a law. So GST is payable negotiation. It is not a recognized qualification. It's a diploma course, so it is taxable. Mr. Ashok rented his residential flat to his friend, Dr. Kishore, who is not registered under CGST for using in medical clinic at a monthly rent of 15,000. So residential business. Dr. Kishore, who is not registered under GST, but the rent per month crossing taxable. So residential dwelling is rented for use other than residence. GST is payable on the same, but he is not registered, na. But it is taxable. It's taxable. They are asking taxable or not. It is taxable. Residential building used for commercial purpose. Taxable.